How to close your Amazon seller account. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can easily close Amazon seller account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to close or in order to delete your Amazon seller account is pretty simple. You'll have to access your Seller Central. To do so, you want to head into sellercentral.amazon.com and you want to log into your seller account. Once you have done so, you want to go to settings. Unfortunately, here I'm unable to log in currently at the moment. Amazon Seller Central is not letting me access my account at the moment, but you can simply go to settings once you're logged in. Then you want to click the account info page, then you want to select the close account option. So remember, go to settings, go to account info and go to close account option. Confirm your decision, provide a reason for closing your account and click submit. Then you'll have to wait for confirmation and resolve any outstanding issues. Once you do so, your account will be deleted. This is how you can remove or close your Amazon seller account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.